Children, please write down A number, choose the correct answer. B number, state whether the statements are true or false and correct the wrong statement. Then C number, fill in the blanks. Then D number A bay and a golf. You can get page number 37. Here, example of golfs you can get. Then 2 number, perennial river and non-perennial river. Same page in 37. Here you can write, start from here up to snow. Then example, river Ganga, Yamuna. Second one, few rivers up to rain feed. Example, river Mahanadi and Godavari. Then C number, same page 37. DC, here last, streams up to Damodar, etc. Then next page you will get page number 38, distributaries up to here. This is the answer of DC. Then D, same page 37. Here the place up to Cold the mouth. Here the place cold source. Then DE, page number 39. DE, start from here, the delta. No need to write this, you just cut down which up to Brahmaputra delta. Then next, start from here up to Narmada and Tapti. This is the answer of DE. Then EE, name the E1, the water bodies that surrounded Asia on 3 sides. E1, start from here, the water bodies that surround Asia on 3 sides. You will get the answer on 36 page, or you can write down Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Second one is here, answer, what are the known as rain-fed river. Then list the major oceans in the world, page number 42, recap. Second point, there are 5 oceans. Here you can get this one. Then fifth point, Arctic Ocean. Then F1, what is the difference between the Bay and Gulf? Same answer as DA, page number 37. This is the same answer of DA and FA, same answer. Then F2, why are oceans considered as significant? You start from here, oceans are considered significant, page number 36 you will get this one. E2, start from here, because they are fish. Then they serve as this line, minerals. Then they process up to rainfall. Again I am repeating, start from here. Question, oceans are considered significant because they are sources of food like fish. Then no need to write this line. Again you write, start from here, they serve up to natural gas, minerals. Then next, they process up to rainfall. This is the answer of F2. Then F3, 2 ways to reduce water pollution. Start from here, 2 ways to reduce water pollutions are, page number 41. Start from here, creating a greater globally, also reducing wastage up to make a difference. This is the answer of F3. Then F4, how are rivers useful to us? Page 40. Here, irrigation up to agriculture, all the points you have to write. E4, sorry, F4 answer. Then F5, write a short note on same as DE, page number 39. Start from here up to Tapi. This is the and same answer from DE and F5, same answer. Write a short note of the oceans of the world, page number 35 and 36. Start from here, Arctic Ocean up to North Pole, and second, it is extremely cold up to round. Second one is Indian Ocean, start from Indian Ocean, Australia and Antarctica. Then third point, Atlantic Ocean up to excellent harbors. It is here you can write, this is an S-shaped ocean, then no need to write this. It is a very active ocean since coastline up to harbors. The next page, Pacific Ocean, the word Pacific up to here. Then last one, Southern Ocean up to square kilometer. This is the answer of F6. Then F7, write a short note on water pollution, page number 41. Start from here, poor water quality up to pollution. Then the two types of water pollution, surface pollution and water pollution. If pollution come of the single location, no need to write this one. It is known as point source pollution. When it is hard up to water bodies, then it is called non-point source pollution. Okay. Then this is the answer of F7. Then F8, explain three different stages of river, page number 38, 39. Start from here. The three stages of river are upper course up to upper course. Then start from here, the speed of the river causes erosion. Then it also cut deep gorges and canyons. Then here, sometimes the river up to waterfall. This is the first point, F8 first point. Then F2 middle course. Start from here up to plan. Then from here, the speed of the flow of river is much less. Then here the river does not cut deep V-shaped valley. Okay. And here you can write, the river bends, forming loops. This is known as meandering. Then the lower course. Lower course you start from here. This is the point where the lower course. This is the point where the river is up to meet the sea. After sea you can write, here delta and estuaries are formed. Okay. This is the up to sea. Then you can write down this line. Here, what I wrote here. Okay. So I hope you all are clear. If any problem, just contact with me. Thank you. God bless you all.